A sewer line backup is one of the most stressful and unpleasant situations a homeowner can face. Understanding what causes these backups is the first step in preventing a messy and costly disaster in your home. The most common cause of a sewer backup starts right at your drains. When grease, fats, and oils are poured down the sink, they solidify inside your pipes, creating a thick, sticky blockage. This blockage then traps other items, things like paper towels, feminine hygiene products, and even so-called flushable wipes do not break down and are major contributors to severe clogs. Tree roots are naturally drawn to the water and nutrients inside your sewer line. They can invade the pipe through even the tiniest crack or joint. Once inside, they continue to grow, creating a dense root ball that acts like a net, catching waste and debris until the line is completely blocked. Over time, the pipes themselves can fail. Older sewer lines made of clay or cast iron can crack, corrode, and collapse due to age and shifting soil. A bellied pipe is another common problem, where a section of the pipe sags, creating a valley where waste and paper collect and form a recurring blockage. Prevention starts with good habits. Remember to only flush the 3 P's: pee, poo, and toilet paper. Everything else belongs in the trash. Scrape grease and food scraps into the compost or garbage instead of rinsing them down the sink. These simple actions can dramatically reduce your risk of a clog. For older homes or properties with mature trees, proactive maintenance is key. A professional sewer camera inspection can identify problems like root intrusion or pipe damage before they cause a backup. Periodic professional drain cleaning can clear out buildup and keep your main line flowing freely, offering invaluable peace of mind. Your plumbing will often give you warning signs before a major backup. Be alert for multiple slow drains in your house, gurgling sounds coming from your toilets, or water backing up into your shower or tub when you flush a toilet or run the washing machine. These are clear signs of a problem in your main line. Don't wait for a disaster. If you're experiencing any warning signs or want to schedule a preventative inspection, trust the licensed professionals. For expert sewer and drain services, from camera inspections to emergency cleanups, contact the team at Black Mountain Plumbing. Visit them at blackmountainplumbing.com or